Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing good. So today we are going to learn lesson number 1.5 and the name of the lesson is solve quadratic equation by completing square. What it means? Here we will be using these formulas either a plus b whole square or we will be using a minus b whole square formula. Okay, what is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square, and here the formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so these two formula will be using. So and here minus is written, so it means I will be using formula number 1 and this is formula number 2, so I will be using formula number 2 for here. So I can write this one x square minus, I will break this one because I need 2ab type. So 2a means I am writing x and b I will be writing here because 2 9 is 18, so I will be writing here 9. Okay, plus 81 is the square of 9, so I can write here 9 square is equal to 49 is the square of 7, so I can write 7 square. Now you can see a square minus 2ab and plus b square, so this is the formula of a minus b whole square is equal to 7 whole square. Okay, now I will be removing this square, then it will come under square root. This side it will come to the square root, so I can write x minus 9 will be equal to square root of 7 square. It will be plus minus. Whenever you are doing square root, always plus minus will come. Okay, so x will be equal to this minus 9 will come here, so I will writing 9 plus minus, and 7 square will give you 7, so I will be writing here 7. So one time I will be taking plus, one time I will take minus, so x is equal to 9 plus 7, or I can write x is equal to 9 minus 7. So x will be equal to 16, this is the one answer, and x is equal to 2, this is the another answer. So there are two roots, one is 16 and one is 2. Same way I will be solving this one. So 36 is the square of 6, so I will be writing 6x whole square. Okay, then I will be using, because this is plus, so I will be using number 1 formula. Okay, so plus 2a, and in place of b I can write, I want 12, so 2 I have already written, so here I can write 6, so 2 6 are 12, plus 1 is the square of itself, so I can write 1 square is equal to 18. Okay, further solve it. So this is the formula for 6x plus 1 whole square is equal to 18. Now it again I will be putting a square this side, so if I am changing this one, it will come under square root, so I can write 6x plus 1 is equal to plus minus under root of 18. Okay, under of root of 18 you can write like this also, 9 times 2. I know I can take the square root of 9, so I can write 6x plus 1 is equal to plus minus 3 root 2. Okay, 9 has came out as 3, it will be root 2. Further solve it. So 6x is equal to, I can write, this one will come here with minus sign, same. Now 6 will come down, so x will be equal to minus plus minus 3 root 2 by 6, here 1. Okay, so this is will be your answer. So one time you will be taking plus and one time you will be taking minus. I hope you all have understood. Now we are going to do the next question. Okay, and this time again same thing I will be using, because minus is there, so I will be using the second formula, a minus b whole square formula. So x square minus bracket 2 x I am writing, then I can write 4 because 2 4s are 8, plus this is 4 square. Okay, is equal to minus 36. Okay, further solve it. This is the formula for x minus 4 whole square is equal to minus 36. Change the square, it will come here under square root, so is equal to square root of minus 36 plus minus. Now in the complex number we have learned that if minus is there inside the bracket, so it will come out as I. So I will be writing x minus 4 is equal to plus minus I, and 36 square root will give you 6. Okay, so this is 6I, you can see. Now 4 will come this side, so I can write x is equal to 4 plus minus 6i. Okay, so one time you will be taking plus and one time you will be taking minus. So this is your answer. Same way I will be doing this one. Okay, but here a little different I will be doing. What different? Because 3 is not a square of any number, so I will be dividing everything by 3. So I can write here 3x square by 3 minus 24 by 3x plus 48 by 3 is equal to minus 363 by 3. Okay, further solve it. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. It will be x square minus, it will give you 8 x and plus here 12. Okay, is equal to, solve it further, so it will give you 121. Okay, again do the breaking of this one. So x square minus 2 times x times 4, I have written wrong here, it will be 16. Okay, and plus this one be 4 square is equal to minus 121. Now again do this one. So it is x minus 4 whole square is equal to minus 121. Further solve it. So x minus 4 is equal to square root of minus 121 with plus minus sign. Further solve it. X minus 4 will give you here plus minus, minus will give you I, and square root of 121 is 11. Okay, now change this 4 this side. 4 plus minus 11i. Okay, so this is your answer. I hope till now you all have understood whatever have been told to you. Now we will be doing the next question. Just give me a minute. So we are going to do question number 19. In this question I want to know the value of C. Okay, how to do the value of C? Again same process I will be doing. If plus is there, so I will be using first formula, and if minus is there, I will be using the second formula which I told you in the beginning. Okay, so let's start. So I can write here x square plus 2 times x times 5. I want 10, so I can write like this plus C. I know if I will compare this one, so in place of C what should be the number? 5 square. Okay, so this implies C will be equal to 5 square, and how much C is equal to 25. So our answer will be 25. Same way I will be doing this one. Let's start here. So x square, you can see here no 2 is written, but I want 2. So what I can write? I can write 2x and then I can divide by 2. So 2 and 2 can get cancelled. I will be getting again minus x. Okay, plus C. Now if you compare, so 2 is written, A is written, what is the B? This one is the B. So C will be equal to B square, means 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, so C will be equal to 1 by 4. So here our answer is 1 by 4. Now we will be doing the next two questions, question number 29 and 39. Here we have to do completing square method. What completing square method? Like if you can see up, I have done here, in place of if 2 was not written, so I have multiplied by 2, I have divided by 2. Okay, and I have considered 1 by 2 whole square is C. So same way I will be doing this one. So let's start here. Here again 2 is not written, I want 2. So what I will be writing? X square minus 2 times x times 1 by 2. Okay, and this 3 I am taking this side, so it will give you plus 3. Further solve it. I want a, here see, this is a square minus 2ab, then I need b square also. So I will be doing plus b square this side and plus b square this side, left hand side and right hand side. So I can write here x square minus 2x times 1 by 2, and I will be adding 1 by 2 whole square this side and this side also, plus 1 by 2 whole square. Solve it further. X square minus 2x times 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square. Again further write the same, and here if I will solve, so 3 plus 1 by 4 it will give. This total you can write like x minus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to, for solve it further, so it will give you 4. 4 3s are 12. Okay, plus 1. Taking LCM, it will give you 13 by 4. Okay, going down again. solve it further. So now I will be just removing the square, so it will come under the square root in the RHS. Okay, so x minus 1 by 2 is equal to square root of 13 by 4 with plus minus sign. Okay, so x is equal to, take this one this side, so it will give you plus 1 by 2 plus minus. I cannot take the square root of 13, but I know square root of 4 is 2, so I can write 13 by 2. Further solve it, so x is equal to, here take 2 common, in the this one will be LCM, up will be 1 plus minus under root of 13. So this one will be your answer. Same way you can do the next question, nothing change. Okay, but here 2 is written, so I will be removing 2 like I have done in the previous question. I will be showing you here. See, give me a minute. Here when the 3 was there, so I have removed the 3. In the same way, in this question, if you'll see, it is telling 2 is written, so I'll be removing 2. So if you remove 2, it will give you x square minus 3 by 2x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 0. Now because I want 2 here, so I can write x square, in the up there should be 2ab. Yes, so minus 2, and then I'm writing x, and 3 by 2 was written, so I'm writing one more 2 here. Okay, is equal to, I am taking this 5 by 2 this side, so 5 by 2 with negative sign. Further solve it, x square minus 2, you can 2x into 3 by 4. Now I have to add 3 by 4 whole square because I want b square also. So if I am adding this side, I have to add this side also. Okay, 3 by 4 square minus 5 by 2. Solve it further, so you will get it. This is, you can write x minus 3 by 4 whole square, and further solve it, it will give you 9 by 16 minus 5 by 2. Okay, again I am doing next step, x minus 3 by 4 whole square is equal to, take LCM, it will be 16, it will be 9, and it will give you 40. Okay, do it more, solve it further, so it will give you x minus 3 by 4 whole square will be equal to minus, with the minus sign, 31 by 16. Okay, now you want to remove the square, so it will come under square root, so x minus 3 by 4 is equal to plus minus under root of minus 31 upon 16. Now if minus is there, then I know that it will be plus, this one will come here, so x will be equal to 3 by 4 with the plus sign, plus minus, minus will it will be under root of 31, and then minus will become I upon, you can write here 4. Further solve it, so it will give you 3 plus minus root 31I by 4. So this is your answer. Next question we are going to do, this is the last question. It is telling write this one in the vertex form. What is the vertex form? For your understanding, I have written, you have to do like this. Okay, and vertex will be h and k. So same thing I will be doing. So I can write here x square plus, I can write 2 here, x I am writing. Okay, then I want 6, so 2 times 3, so I can write 3. Then I need to add 3 square minus 3 square also I have to do to make it perfect square, plus 1. Now this total will give you x plus 3 whole square. Okay, and further solve it, it will give you minus 9 and plus 1. Solve it further, x plus 3 whole square, and it will give you minus 8. Now if I am going to compare this one with this formula, so I am comparing a, what is written, x minus h whole square plus k. So from here you can see in place of h what written, minus 3. Okay, or you can say minus h is equal to what written, 3. So if you are comparing these two, so I can write, if I am comparing minus h is equal to 3, so h will be equal to how much, minus 3, and k is equal to minus 8. So what will be the vertex? I am writing down. So here vertex will be, I know it should be h comma k, so h is minus 3 comma minus 8. I hope you all have understood. Thank you everyone.